Can you put ice in milk? I mean, from an ethical standpoint. I know I'm physically able to. I mean, is it morally correct? Milk must be served cold. If you want warm milk, that's insane. A nice warm milk on a summer's eve, just seeing the steam rise off of that hot, hot dairy. Some people will drink warm milk before bed to settle their stomach. Oh yeah, well I put a banana in the microwave before I go for a swim. It doesn't make sense. Milk needs to be cold, can't be warm. That's disgusting. So how do we get something to be cold? We apply ice. But for some reason, if we put ice in milk, that feels illegal. If we did the same thing, if we put ice in water, nobody bats an eye. You wanna know why that's fine? Because ice is already water. So if you add more ice to water, you're creating more water. There's been no dilution. So therefore we go, if we track that logic, that ice is fine in water because it's already what it is, but if we add it to milk, it's not fine because then we're adding water to milk. We're not adding more milk to milk. Got it. Okay, that makes sense. Except for soda, that's not, last I remember, that's not water, that's soda. If you add ice to soda, you're not getting more soda, you're getting water and soda. That's fine if we mix them. Orange juice, apple juice, all fine to add ice into. Can you get apple juice as an adult? Is that a thing that I could order at a restaurant? Apple juice used to be such a big part of my life, and I have not tasted it in years. Something that these all have in common, these are liquids, but if we look at milk, milk is not a liquid. Milk is a colloid. What's a colloid? It's what milk is. A colloid has floating particles, like physical particles in the thing. That's why when you look at milk, it looks sort of solid versus a liquid. That's just a liquid. There's none of that physical junk in there. So when you're melting the ice into a liquid, you just get more liquid. When you're melting it into a colloid, there's some odd separation that happens, and it looks a little funky and it looks a little bit effed up. Okay, so we accept that maybe milk just can't be iced. However, I get iced chai lattes all the time. What do I put in it? I put oat milk in it. And what do I put inside of that additionally is I ice it. You put ice in that, nobody bats an eye. We're right back where we started. What it comes down to, I think, is discrimination against milk specifically. For some reason, just because it's milk, it can't be iced. Final conclusion, you can put ice in milk. It's fine. It feels wrong, but it's fine. You can do it.